been a fantastic day on the West Coast. We've been here at Bloomfield Road today, working with the Blackpool Community Trust and nearly 120 young people from the local area. Kids were heavily involved in the workshops, asked some great questions.
The best way to end racism is all about education, and days like this are an excellent opportunity to really get children infused, to do the work, to tell their friends, to challenge racism and to spread the word and educate.
Yeah, it was really good. Had some really good questions. Hopefully the kids learn a lot from our answers and yeah, can take it with them going forward.
It's good for children this age to experience what it's like, because a lot of people don't realise and understand. So like I said, to experience it and do workshops like these are very important. You just have to speak up, really. Speak to your friends, family, teachers, even your pets. Like, as long as you're getting it out, then that's the most important thing, just talking.
I'm very happy. I just hope that all that we've learned comes into action.
I attended a show racism workshop when I was 11. I thought the workshop was a big eye-opener for me, especially growing up in the north in a less diverse area. I thought it was difficult as I'd faced some of these problems myself. So when I heard what was going on at the workshop, I felt like I related to it very well. It really motivated me to get involved. I think it's imperative that we make sure that these workshops are broadcasted to the young generation, because that's where it all starts from. Like, the youth are what's going to bring it up.